Assalamu alaikum, dear 6th class students. Let us continue our lesson first day at school by writing the answers of the questions given at the end of the poem. Question number 6 is Sivan is the past participle form of Siv. यानी यु सिवन छु यह हसा छु past participle form कमिच सिवच सिव मतलब हस गो to stitch यानी टेप दिन so on. It is an irregular verb. Yes, irregular verb. Find out the past participle forms of the following verbs. As can verb dit in past participle form lek. Goes as verb lit. As past participle lek. Past goes when. Past participle goes gone. Keep as go past kept. Past participle goes kept. Eat, ate, eaten. Second क्या है make, आद को made, made. पद क्या है carry, आद को carried, carried. पद क्या है come, आद को came, come. Think, आद को thought, thought. Run, ran, run. पद क्या है write, आद को wrote, written. Feel, felt, felt. Input a question. Did you like the poem? Why? ये poem पसंद क्या है? Answer. I like the poem because it takes me to my childhood. Input कैसे go? Write a paragraph of 100 words on your school. You may write about building, how far it is from your home, what facilities you have and you don't have, what is the school timing, how many friends you have, Are there enough plants and trees in and around your school? What do you do to keep your school and classroom clean? School library and other things. Let us begin. The name of my school is Government UPS Muqam Rajwar. My school has 3 buildings. It is not far away from my home. There is not a big playground in my there are 2 washrooms in my school. Drinking water facility is in my school. We only play Kho in our school. I have 3 friends. In my school. there are many plants and trees around my school. We take up cleaning of the school twice in a week. My school has a library. My school is having much progress. Thank you.